I'd kind of like to cut this in and then turn it around so that it bulges out. It'd be concave, then I'd have more room in the chamber. Maybe almost 11 foot.
It's arrival day. All right, we just dumped it off of the trailer. Check out our shorts if you want to see it in action. This thing's huge. How many manholes you said you think you'll fit in there?
I'm gonna do 6, start out with 6 at a time. I could probably put 12 in there.
Dad, your tractor skill's unmatched.
It's what?
Unmatched. Putting something that rolls onto 2 things, I wouldn't be able to do it.